Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you use the flat and flange. Right now it is hidden. It's mean first we need the first wall by using the extrude or planer that we have discussed in first video. So this time let me choose the planer. Choose a proper plane. Okay. This time let me choose a center rectangle. Say okay. Let me keep the wall thickness this time 12 and say okay. Once I made the first wall, so the flat and flange get highlighted. Once I click on flat here, I will choose this edge as my first reference. Once you come here, so a lot of things are over here. You can add the secondary wall like L type, T type, whatever you want. Right now I'm keeping it as a rectangular. You can change the angle. One thing you have to remember, only and only you can just drag the secondary wall from the yellow points, not from anywhere. You can just change the angle from here. Remember one thing, which is here. If you want to remove this unwanted portion, for that come to relief. Here select the rectangle and here put any of the value which is greater than your design unwanted length. And just, can you see? Okay. What about this thickness? This is actually this feather radius over here. Right now I'm keeping it 12. You can keep it outside, like you can keep it inside as well. You can change the angle from here as well. Let me keep it 120 for now. Okay, so hopefully you understand. Okay, right? To understand the flange, for that again, front plane. Let me draw a center ellipse. And just say okay. Again say okay. This time, rather than to use the flange will work better because the entire edge is single. Okay. Press and hold shift key and select the entire edge. Okay. Let me change this angle for now. You can just drag the height and so on, whatever you want. This is R type. This is S type. See, whatever you want. Duct type. See, C type. Let me keep it for now as an I type. Just change the angle and hopefully let me keep it this thickness 12 for now, and let me keep it okay. So hopefully you understand how can you use the flat and flange. Mostly they are used to create the secondary wall, and planer and extrude are used to create the first wall. So hopefully you understand. What kind of shape you want, you can add as a secondary wall, or even you can come to shape, sketch on it, sketch normal, and this time let me add a 3-point arc. And just say okay. So can you see This is something we have sketched, and according to that we are getting the pattern. So hopefully you understand. Thanks for watching.